I have here a Brother printer that's behaving rather poorly, and we're going to try to fix this today. The problem is that this printer is leaving some vertical streaks, you can see those here, when printing anything. I'm quite certain the problem is the fuser. I've ordered the new fuser. And while we're at it, we're also going to replace these little roller parts. Follow along if you want to see how this is done. Also, the link for these parts is in the description below. I'll turn around this printer to show you how I diagnose this issue. At the back side of the printer, I'll open up this panel and then press these blue clips to lift this part down. And here's the fuser. If your printer was recently on, this will be hot. The purpose of the fuser is to permanently bond the toner or the ink to this paper. The fuser uses heat to do that. Now you'll see on this fuser that there's some weird stuff going on here. This roller should be entirely black, but at this area here, some of the black material is missing. And the vertical streaks align really closely with that problematic area on that fuser roller. So we're going to replace this entire fuser. You can purchase just the rollers and replace only those, but I'll replace the entire assembly as this is a bit of an older printer. Also, while we're at it, we're going to replace these wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4. They should be all white. These have a lot of black going on. So to install our new fuser, let's first remove the old. It looks like we have a number of screws to remove and some clips as well. To get this back door out of the way, remove this plastic part from its hinge. Give it a little push. That's loose. And then the other side as well. There we go. And it looks like we have some screws to remove. That part came out rather easily. And this part comes out as well. It looks like this will have to come out. So pull this screw off. Also notice that before opening this printer, messing with it, and especially the electronics, I removed the power cord from it. Pinch and pull. There we go. Same with the blue connector. Unplug this guy. To disconnect this printer, I reached in here with a flat blade screwdriver and pried these two connectors apart. Remove these screws, 1 and 2. And the original fuser assembly might be free. Let's see if we can get it out here. There it is. It's completely out. While we're back here, I'll use some compressed air for electronics and just blow this out a little bit. Everything's clean, so let's see if we can insert our new fuser. Reassemble screws. Connect your electrical. And over here as well. Features on these connectors prevent you from plugging in the wrong way. And just match white to white, blue to blue. The original fuse does not have these little orange clips, so I believe these have to be removed. Pull this one off as well. Reattach this guy. Before I reassemble this part to the printer, I'm going to replace these little wheels. I already replaced this one. It's nice and clean and white. So to remove this wheel, just pull on it. And now we have to remove this wheel from the springs. Just manipulate this wheel a little bit to get it off of the springs. There we go. And then reinsert your new wheel, assembling it to the springs. And then snap the shaft of this wheel to this assembly. And same on these last two remaining wheels. The 4 white wheels here are brand new and they move freely as they're supposed to. Reassemble to the printer, pop in the left side and then the right side. And reassemble this guy. And reattach the black pieces on this door and left side. I think we're ready to try this out. The printer's powered back on. Let's do a test print. And hallelujah, the printer works now. There's no vertical line. This was the original problem. There's a vertical line here and that's now gone. So for around $100 and 30 minutes, this printer has plenty more life remaining. I hope this helps you with your project.